In the video tutorial, this time, I will explain how to replace drive letter. I use Windows operating system. The way is pretty easy. Just right-click at this icon Start. Then choose Disk Management. If using shortcut, you guys can press Windows, the X on your keyboard. Then it will pop up like this. Then choose Disk Management. We wait for the process. Next, there are here drive that friends have. I have There are 3 C drives. Drive D, Don Drive E. I will change Drive E. If you change the drive, then when there is a program that run through the drive, then the program likely to error later. That's the impact. Okay, I'll try to change Drive E. Right-click and then I select Change Drive, Letter and Patch. I just click. Then right here is his drive. Then I choose Change. Well, here I can change. I change it to, for example, H. Then I just click the OK button. Then I said yes. Well, here I am okay, right? You can restart the computer to see the results. After later succeeded, restart later. The drive can change. If it didn't change, means the drive that friends choose used elsewhere, meaning it has been used before. Then just replace the drive. The others, for example, earlier, H cannot be replaced. Can be replaced F. Yeah, like that. Okay, hopefully this tutorial is useful. Thank you.